This car is sick. So tell me when the last time you guys saw a wide body Tesla on the street. Yeah, this car is sick. 20-inch wheels. It's a 2020. This is the ludicrous mode, as you can see. But yeah, this thing is like a beast. It's so wide. The body kit, I think, is about 20K plus, somewhere north of there. The car itself just, I mean, it speaks for itself when you see this thing on the road. The attention that I get. Yeah, it's not a Lamborghini, it's not a Ferrari, but it's a wide body Tesla. When was the last time you guys saw a wide body Tesla on the street? An S. I guarantee you, I can probably get any exotic car, maybe a quarter mile, maybe in a quarter mile, I would say. This car is stupid fast. I'll show you guys the ludicrous mode. I don't even, it's in ludicrous mode, but we're not even gonna put it in, where is this thing at? Ludicrous Plus. As you can see, you click on Ludicrous Plus, this is what it says. It says, no, I want my mommy, or yes, bring it on. Yesterday, a kid pulled up next to me on the highway, gave me a nod, and just drove off. And I was like, yo, this is crazy. I had a whole bunch of people looking at me at the red light, and it's just not something you see every day. A nice little wide body Tesla. The wrap is also dope. Shout out to SwiftPics. Best real estate photography company in the biz. Make sure you get at us if you are in South Florida and you need some pictures for your crib. Hit us up. We can make it happen. We're the best for a reason. I think the red brake calipers are sick. I think it makes the wheels pop, especially with the big white like lip of the wheels. I really think it makes it pop. This car was originally white, but with the matte wrap, I personally love it. I think it's sick. It makes the car look more like a spaceship, a stealth spaceship. Shout out to Vaughn Wraps. They were the one who wrapped this car. And honestly, for the custom wheels, the custom body kit, obviously the car drives still pretty smooth. Like this car, this is a daily car. You know, we just use it for work every single day, and it's extremely comfortable. The seats obviously are comfortable, but that's what Tesla's known for. Ooh, TRX. TRX is my favorite truck, by the way, off topic. Obviously, you know, it's not the best for road trips because it's electric, but you can take this car across the globe if you could, because it's just that comfortable and it rides so smooth. You see it on the road, it is an attention grabber. It's a neck breaker is what I like to call it. But yeah, so I'm gonna spend the day soaking in all the attention that I'm gonna get with this car. We're about to go grab some sushi now, and I will catch you guys on the next video. I do have a surprise for all you guys who are, if you like electric. I don't want this channel to solely be electric, so I will be doing other car stuff on here, but for now I drive electric. So I got a surprise coming, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys subscribe. It's your boy Mr. Duncan, and we are out.